how to make black bean soup. Peace. When I first saw this comment, I didn't really think much of it. It was just yet another comment ignorantly complaining about me being a black sociolinguist who does black linguistics content. It is what it is. Cry me a river. But then curiosity got the best of me to click over and see who left the comment. And imagine my surprise.
Being black in America means constantly having your contributions, worth, and place in society questioned, even if you've been the foundation of this nation's culture, development, and growth since its inception.
Alex, is that you? You do black explainer content. Bro, you tell people what we do. Here you are explaining black fatigue.
White people appropriating black fatigue. They replaced DEI with black fatigue.
Black people coined the phrase black fatigue. Who are you explaining it to? We already know. Ain't that what y'all say to me? That is technically a black sociolinguistic post that you posted for all the world to see, including them. And here you are explaining a black American cultural tradition.
So you let them feel for one night what it means to be completely seen. This is why black prom culture looks the way it does. Runway ready gowns, bespoke suits, families investing heavily into this single moment, not out of access, not because this is their only chance to have a wedding, but out of reverence. It's the quinceañera we never had, the bat mitzvah that wasn't a part of the tradition or allowed. A communal declaration that this young person has made it, and their village is making sure they know it.
Yet here you are telling me to stop telling people what we do. In the middle of a big brouhaha with me and the FBA, who are trying to dogpile on me for not dogpiling on a Haitian American creator who did a post about her love for black English phrases. The resident FBA trolls are telling me that I'm actually a Haitian who needs to be deported with the black Haitian American creator. Meanwhile, I'm actually Gullah Geechee. It's kind of hard to get much more black American than I am. But hey, you and I both have an affinity for cowboy hats, except the difference is this cowboy hat is actually a part of my heritage, as in my family. Exhibit A, Exhibit B, Exhibit C, Exhibit D. I actually am from a long line of Gullah Geechee cowboys, red-blooded black Americans. Meanwhile, you, my friend, are ethnically Haitian American. The very same people whose side you took would call you a tether and say that you shouldn't be doing the content that you do, that you shouldn't be telling people what we do. And in fact, they would ask you, who is we? But somehow you found yourself on the opposite side of me defending your fellow Haitian American's right to talk about a language that she learned firsthand, both personally and professionally, as a sociologist and anthropologist. So that makes your stance all the more baffling, but not necessarily surprising. Because you see, I see this all the time. Black folks will stroll into my comments and be all rah for gatekeeping and telling me what not to post, but then I click on their post and they are doing the very thing that they're telling me not to do, except they don't see what they're doing as doing the same thing. This is such a weird example of you pointing out the speck in my eye while ignoring the beam in your own. This is also the perfect example of how to make black bean soup. First, you start with the hot water, the black beans, and all of the ingredients that you're going to mix in it. Then you, one by one, start to remove all of the ingredients that offend certain folk who won't sit at the table and get something to eat. And as you remove each ingredient down to the black beans themselves, what you're left with is lukewarm water. What you thought it was going to stop at black language educators? Just last week, they were complaining about black beauty creators putting white women onto hair grease. What happens when we remove black dancers from the soup? When we remove black historians from the soup? When we remove black artists from the soup? Black storytellers? Anybody doing anything black that they can see or the AI can aggregate, which pretty much covers all of us and leaves us with lukewarm water. How about no? None for me, thanks. But if that's what you want, bon appetit. We out here.